This is the manufacturing process of seamless steel pipe. First, heat and soften the solid round billet, and send it to the automatic pipe mill. Make the softened steel continuously rotate through the equipment. Under the action of roller and pointed comb, cavity gradually formed inside the solid tube blank. This is how the holes inside are pierced. Tube billets need to be sent into the machine to continue rolling. Make the pipe wall uniform and smooth. Such steel pipe without weld. It should be put into a high temperature furnace again for the kneading. Finally, let the steel pipe be straightened by machine. At the same time, it can release pressure. You can get seamless steel pipe used in various industries because different sizes are needed. Cold drawing is also a kind of steel pipe processing. During cold drawing, the steel pipe will become thinner and the wall will become thinner. Widely used in petrochemical, aerospace, machinery manufacturing and other fields.